It's a very cloudy day on Marco today. We had a lot of rain yesterday, poured down, flooded some streets. Let's take a look, we'll have a little drive around, shall we? I don't think there's going to be any sunshine for the next few days. Looks like someone's enjoying the waves. Alright, I decided to go to the beach just to check it out for you guys. So I'm probably going to get soaking wet, but oh well. I think there's more people leaving the beach than going to the beach this morning. Let's check it out. Wow, look at this weather. Absolutely pouring. It looks like a hurricane, but it's not a hurricane. But it's really cloudy and really windy. It's absolutely insane. Look at that. Wow, I'm getting soaking wet. And there's still people on the beach. Not me. I'm off. What's amazing is that for as many people leaving the beach, there's just as many coming on the beach. What's wrong with people? I mean, it's pouring down and they still want to come to the beach. They must be from, I don't know, Massachusetts, where it rains all the time. They're used to it. Maybe it's a sunny day for them from where they're from. Oh well. It's getting worse. Look at the clouds. We've had tornado warnings, not round here, but pretty close. So, guess we keep an eye on the tornado warnings. This guy looks angry.